Ito na ang nabuo kong fence dito sa yard. Almost natapos na siya, guys. So pinapakita ko sa inyo kung saan na ako banda. Ayan, guys. Malapit na. May dalawang naiwan na lang dito na ilalagay kong mga kahoy na aking ihuhok. Ayan, guys. Dito na lang. Ayan na. What? What?
I'm leaving at 4 to go to the conference with this guy. So, really? Yeah, I'm gonna get ready and then at some point, when is she gonna like get? 4:30, she'll be leaving out of the conference. What do you do? You gonna wear pants? It's gonna be cold. Like going there and then when I come back. Like 8:30? So it's like after dinner. So we'll see. I'm gonna ask her mom if you need to bring dinner or buy dinner. I'll give you money. They go to ready.
1 eternity later.
Natagalan akong tatapusin itong part 2 ng aking paggawa ng fence, guys, or itong kudal, dahil sa weather na palipat-lipat and almost nag-ulan dito ng isang buong week, ulan ng ulan. So kaya hindi ako makapagpatuloy na gagawin araw-araw dahil sa panahon na papalit-palit, laging umuulan, and then ang hangin-hangin dito, guys, at napakalamig. Kaya tingnan nyo nga naman yung aming sitwasyon. Nakabalot dahil sa malamig na dito, guys. Kaya natagalan itong aking pagtatapos ng aking pagpipensing dito sa aking yard. Ayan, guys, pero malapit na. Nakikita na ang itsura ng aking fence. Mimi, what are you doing? Let's go and see if this will work. This one right here. You are building something like what? Oh my God! Oh my God, that's almost hit to the other side. This one is too long. But what isn't working? Okay. I'm almost done what I am doing. Ow, so tight, so tight. Dang it. Oh, it's kind of difficult. Uh-oh. Aray ko. Okay. I like that, actually like that way. It's just a little bit short in here. Kaya lang na-stuck. Hold on, Libby. Okay, I just need to move a little bit. Okay, right here. Okay, I got it. Ooh, I move it. Alright. Okay, I move it. Good, 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 good. Okay, now 1. It become 3. It will be 3. Then last right there. So now I need another one. But before that, I'm gonna put this one first, I think. Wait, hold on. I need the. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh no! It almost. Ah! Ganito. Woo! Ah! Pangatlo na yan eh. So this is the top. This is the top. Ay, hindi magkasya ito kasi nag-small yung... Ay, nako. Yung iba kasing ganito guys. Mali. Nagpaglagay ng ano sa ilalim itong mga metal, pagtali. Lumiit. Saka yung mga kahoy, hindi straight. Kaya ang hirap ilagay. Si katulad nito, gusto ko sana ito, kaya lang ang format nitong kahoy hindi man straight, parang dito sa kabila parang nag-twist, tapos yung half straight, so parang ganyan dapat. So this has to be go inside. If I do that, then the other one it won't fit. Okay, let me see. Maybe where is the thing? Ay, naku. Dapat ganito. But I have to put this dito sa loob. This. Or I have to find a different wood na ilagay dito. I have to find a different one kasi hindi nag-work to eh. Pangit, saraputan. Hindi kasi straight. Okay, I'm gonna find a different one. Wait, can you see that?
Stick right to the door.
What's your finger on that one?
Oh, where's my mirror?
Your hammer right here.
Okay, can I please have it in front of me? Thanks.
Okay. Ito ilagay natin. I found a small one. Small one. Right like that. And then dito itali. What do you think? Alright. So itatali ko na siya. Alright. Okay, gaano kataas? Should be like that. Ganon. Like here. Ganito kataas dapat. Okay. And then, ayan, tama na yan.
I'm gonna put the stone.
What are you gonna break?
Stone.
No!
Let's
Oh, you broke it? Or are you gonna break? You are planning to break, go. But if it's already broken, nothing you can do.
I broke it.
You're dead, oh boy.
And no, it's gonna stop me.
No, it's gonna stop you. Ganito, ganito yan, ganito yan. Okay. Ganun mag-hold. There you go. Here. Okay. I got what I need.
Oh, buttons.
Ay, ang kapilang ulan. Okay. Now, i-tight natin. Ganito lang guys ang pagka-tight ko sa aking metal na string. Ganito lang, ginaganan ko siya. Yan. 2 bisis, 3 bisis, pwede rin. Kung mahaba yung ano mo, yung tali. Then, ibalik dito sa kabila at i-roll uli. Ganon rin na process. Oh my God. I-roll rin uli dito. Gretchen, can you give me a nail? Ayan. Mahaba nga yung ano ko eh. Mahaba yung string ko pero okay lang. Eh, can you give me? Ooh, can you give me some but we can tie it over here like that. Can you give me nail? No, those small one. The small one, and I need the hammer too. All right. Oh no, I see the little one, not this one. Remember those like
the
yeah, those like you
yeah.
slow. Ayan. Wow, ayan na, ayan na. Ayun, ayan. See? Ayan na. What do you think, buddy? What do you think? You just do it like this and then?
It's cool. Do you like my art?
Oh my God, what is that?
I don't know.
And then, so ganyan lang guys. Oh, thank you. Na, I need a hammer. Ganyan lang yan guys, ganito. Ito na yung pinaka-top niya. Ito yung ibabaw or taas. Ayan, okay na yan. Then, ang gagawin natin, talian or pakuan. Gagawa natin ng, lagyan natin ng pako para hindi hulog. Ay, ay, ay. Yung una ko kasing ginawa, inuna ko muna ito guys. I think nasa part 1 ko. Ang inuna kong ginawa, naglagay muna ako ng mga pako. Tapos pinapasok yung, ayan guys oh. Ayan, ito. Nilagay ko muna ito tong sa first step ko. Nilagay ko muna yung mga pako. Tapos pinapasok ko yung metal dito na tali. Hindi pala hindi maganda gagawin. Ang hirap-hirap at matagal. Mas maganda itong sa pangalawa kong naisip na gagawin na itali muna bago lalagyan ng pako. So kaya, ayun. Ang ginagawa ko ngayon, tali muna, itatight siya sa kapakuan. Minsan yun ang nangyayari sa unang pag-try, hindi nag-work. Then makahanap ka ng ibang plano kung ano yung mas madali at mas hindi mahirap gawin. Kaya ito pala ang dali gawin kaysa yung nasa una kong ginawa. Hindi na masyado nag-work, ang tagal-tagal. Kaya ito rin ang isa sa mga reason kung bakit hindi ko natapos kaagad ito. Dahil yung sa una kong paggawa, hindi tama masyado yung aking paggawa. Ito medyo mas madali ng kaunti. Yan, hulog pang isa. Itong sa pinakalas, hindi na kailangan lagyan ng pako at saka yung tali kasi mayroon na guys, naka-ready na. Oh my God, last na lang pala itong ilalagay ko. Last na lang pala yung ilagay ko kasi may dalawa na pala sa ilalim. Oh, I'm pretty done. I am pretty done. So, I'm just gonna put this right here. I think this is the last one I have to do. Oops. Get more. Pinaliit ko lang ng konti guys. umabot ng more than 1 week at hindi man perfect pero at least sa wakas natapos ko na rin yung aking project na reconstruction fences. At ito na nga ipapakita ko sa inyo guys konti. So ito nga yung sinimulan ko. Dito ako nagsimula at ito ang sa loob. Ito yung loob niya kasi dito yung aming hangout spot at yung aming bonfire. So ito yung loob at ipakita ko sa inyo guys ng kaunti itong fence. Pinagawaan ko talaga ito ng paraan. Nag-spend ako ng time dito para lang matapos ito guys. Hindi pala madali-dali kahit ito lang. Hindi naman tayo handyman kasi ginawaan ko lang ng paraan guys. Ayan. So kung saan nag-stop yun guys. So ito yung loob. Ito yung aming hangout area. Dito yung loob. Ayan. So ito nga yung fence kong ginawa. Ayan. Ito na yung itsura ng labas or sa front. Ito guys. Simple lang talaga. Talagang located sa countryside, sa bukid-bukid kung sasabihin ko. Ayan, ito yung aming life dito sa countryside. Ayun, at mag-i-end ako guys dahil tapos ko na rin yung aking fence sa itong vlog na to. I hope to see you in our next vlog and thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and likes. Bye-bye!